Go Carpet Cleaning, Dunwoody, Georgia. Looking for a carpet cleaning company that cares about your health and well-being as much as they care about clean carpets? Look no further than Go Carpet Cleaning. We concentrate on office and residential carpet cleaning, utilizing only natural, environment-friendly solutions that are 100% safe for your whole family and beloved pets. Our team is committed to offering attention to detail that will leave your carpets looking and smelling fresh and new. About our carpet cleaning services in Dunwoody. Go Carpet Cleaning has been cleaning up carpets in homes throughout Atlanta, bringing years of experience to every task and a persistent dedication to client service. We want to make sure that our customers are 100% pleased with the carpet cleaning solutions that we provide, and we guarantee full satisfaction on every single job. Go Carpet Cleaning can take care of dirt and grime in your area rugs. Simply give us a call and let us know that you are interested in stain removal for your Oriental rugs, and we will arrange a visit for you. Call us for a totally free consultation and to discuss our cost-effective rates on carpet cleaning in Atlanta or the surrounding locations, including Johns Creek and Sewanee. When you set up an appointment for our cleaning services anywhere in Atlanta, we will provide you an arrival window of about 2 hours, and we will call you to confirm before we get to your house or business. Call today. Schedule Go Carpet Cleaning for carpet cleaning in Dunwoody, Georgia. Call 1-678-818-5698 for a free quote, or visit our website,